Hi YouTube, my floor is dirty, so I need to vacuum it. I have this cheap Cyclone vacuum cleaner, but I don't like this product. You should clean the filter after every time you use it. I don't know how to open this, but it's better to invest in like Dyson. They cost 3 times the price, but it's worth it in the long run. These cheap Cyclone vacuum cleaners are not worth the money, in my opinion. It's just rubbish. You can't clean your floor with it. All the dust just stays on your floor because it hasn't enough power. So that's my thoughts about it. Just want to let you know, if you're planning about buying a new vacuum cleaner, just get the good stuff. Don't buy the cheap Chinese ones. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.